So today is exactly day 14. We already fill up from the hairline to the mid-scalp. 35 years old, he had male pattern hair loss level 4 anterior. He did not have the hairline and all the hair was thinning to the mid-scalp here. This is the anterior point, this is the mid-scalp, this is the lateral point, this is the lateral point. This is the density, the area around here. The angle, the direction is very important so that the hair when it grows very natural and it can match at the side here. Alright, today's day 14. Tell us how is your recovery in Smart FUE procedure?
So this whole Smart FUE process is definitely very seamless, very smooth. The recovery is extremely pleasant, so I'm extremely satisfied with the result. And the good thing is right now the journey do not end here, so I'm day 14 here. We have a whole 1 year journey with GLOJAS team, and there will be continuous follow-up to ensure I reach to my optimum desire of my hairline. Thank you GLOJAS, can't wait to see for the result.